Hi, it's Kevin Greeno from Blum, Canada, speaking to you from our training room in Mississauga, Ontario. Today I'm going to talk about the 10 reasons why a cabinet maker should be using the Blum AVENTOS top program in their upper cabinets. Reason number one is the easy installation of the mechanism. With these yellow tabs, it's a quick installation by using that as my front to back adjustment, as well as putting it to the top of the cabinet. Once that's in, I will put in wood screws and secure it and remove the tabs. Reason number two are the symmetrical mechanisms, no left or right. Front brackets for the systems are also symmetrical, no left and rights. Reason number three, the e-services platform by Blum. Using the cabinet configurator, I enter in all the specific details of my cabinet that I'm going to use the AVENTOS top in, and not only will I get all the correct information with regards to the drilling and the parts that I need, I can then take that part list and put it into my online distributor shopping basket and order it that easily. Reason number four is that with the new AVENTOS top program, we have reduced the amount of parts that you require. So we've reduced the amount of arms, so we've reduced the amount of mechanisms, so it's that easy to order the right part. Reason number five is that depending on the way I manufacture the AVENTOS top mechanism into my cabinet, I can easily place it with wood screws or use the pre-mounted system screws. Reason number six is if that cabinet maker is having a problem working with the AVENTOS top program, there's a Blum rep in every province that can assist you with those questions. Or if you're local to our office in Mississauga or in Laval, you can visit the training room directly there and get that support. Reason number seven, we also have you covered with regards to all the styles of opening that you wish to achieve in your cabinets, whether that's the small HK XS system, or we can go to the larger HK top. We also have a vertical lift system called the HL top, which is used in the appliance garages. We also have the HS, what we call is the high swinging up and over the cabinet, and also our largest application, which is the dual folding door system in the HF top. No matter the size, no matter the width, we've got you covered. Reason 8 is the motion technologies. Blue Motion we have, that's easy. That's available in all our systems. But we also have the tip-on touch latch system, which is available in our flap systems in the HK family. The electronic system, which is servo drive, is electronically opening the device automatically for you with the touch of a button. That is available in all our top family systems. Reason number 9 is the color cap combination. We have 3 different colors. We have the dark gray, light gray, and silk white. Those colors can either blend seamlessly into your cabinet design or accent it differently as in a contrasting color. And reason number 10 is all the adjustment availability that we have. Not only can we move the door left and right, up and down to maximize and minimize the gaps that we have, we also have the ability to adjust the tension on the lift system. So with the AVENTOS top, when I make the adjustment, wherever I leave that door, it's supposed to stay. So if it's climbing or falling, I can easily make an adjustment through the front torque screw, not having to take the cover top off anymore. And those are the 10 reasons you should be selecting the AVENTOS top family for your upper cabinets instead of the standard doors. Thank you for your time. Follow us at Blum Canada.